Good day. Today you are also joining the Technorat Master YouTube channel. I think you must have seen the thumbnail. Yes, as it is, today I am going to teach you how to get your WhatsApp account without a phone number. So I remind you to subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet. So let's see how to do this. Okay, I remind you that this does not require any truth. This is a facility provided by the WhatsApp company itself. You go to your WhatsApp app, open the app. There are 3 dots on your right-hand side, click on it. Okay, there is an option called Settings, click on that. Okay, there is another option called Account, click on that. Okay, there is a third one called Email Address. Okay, now you have to give your email address there too. Now the email you give here must be the one on your phone. If you give the one that is not on the phone, it will not work for you. So definitely give an email address that is on the phone. Okay, after giving the email account, give Next. After that, a code will come to your email. Enter it here and verify it. Okay, now you are all set. I hope what I have taught you today will be important to you. If you like the video, please like it. Stay tuned for another video.